Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and you all are staying indoors. This is my makeup collection video. In this video, I'll be telling you all the makeup stuff that I own, and also I'll be telling you which product is the drugstore product and which product is the high-end product. So without wasting much of the time, we'll quickly jump into the video. These are the 3 makeup bags in which I keep all of my stuff. Like in these 3 makeup bags, I have all my stuff. I'll be starting up with this bag of mine first, and I'll be telling you what all I have in this bag. Starting with, okay, I have the palette with me right here. I own 2 palettes like this in which I have the highlighter and the contour and the blush. One is this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight Contour and Blush palette. You have seen this palette in my videos. This is a drugstore product. You can easily get it in India, and it is super pigmented also, and this is basically a go-to palette. You can create several looks with just one palette, and honestly, if you like travel a lot and you need to do your makeup, so this is the best palette. You can, because it has all the 3 things that you need for your face, and it looks super gorgeous, trust me. I got this makeup bag also. This is my 4th makeup bag, and I'll be telling you the second palette that I have. Then for the palette, I have the second one, that is the Mini Stay. I got it from Miniso. Highlighter, blush and contour palette. This is a drugstore product because Miniso is not that expensive. It is a drugstore product, and also this is the best travel makeup kit that you want to carry. Like with this and just your favorite lipsticks, your makeup is complete. You can even just put some of the highlighter on your eyelids and the look is complete. Then next in the palette, I have my eyeshadows. This is my Maybelline 24K Nude eyeshadow palette. This is also a drugstore palette. It is easily available. But with eyeshadows, I own many eyeshadow shades, but in single shades. Like I have this L'Oreal Paris Violet Butte shade with me. This is a single eyeshadow shade. Then I have the Revlon shades. I have like 5-6 these tiny little Revlon shades in my cupboard. I own that also. I found one more. Here's the green one. I have pink, yellow, silver. You have seen them in my makeup videos. I have those shades also with me with Revlon. Then in next we have my highlighter. I have this highlighter right with me. It is a drugstore product. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and the other highlighters I have are in these 2 palettes. Then in next over here I have my concealers. I have my Maybelline Age Rewind concealers. I have 2 concealers of Maybelline, 3, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer also. I have this Elegant Pro concealer. I have 5 concealers with me right here. Then this is my makeup bag in which I have like all the stuff. I keep all the stuff in here. So like this is that one. Okay, the first that came is my mascara. I am obsessed with mascaras. Like I really love mascaras. So I have like 5 or 6 mascaras in me, I guess. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in total I have 6 mascaras with me, and all of them are of black shade except for this. I have the MAC Zoom Lash mascara in the shade Blue Charge, and this is high-end product. Then the next mascara I have is with me the Physicians Formula Argan Wear mascara. The Physicians Formula is available in India. It's available on Nykaa, but it is again a high-end makeup product. Then I have the Lancome Excessive Drama mascara in the shade Ultra Black. This is also the high-end makeup product. Then I have NYC. Then I have the Neutrogena Healthy Volume Waterproof. I have the Bare Minerals Lash Domination mascara with me right here. And these 3 all are high-end products. Bare Minerals is not available in India. It is actually, it might be available on Sephora, but it's not available like in online sites. Then I have my brushes with me. I have 4 brushes with me. The first one is my Real Techniques Collection Salmon Neck. Then I have my Lancome Angular Highlighter Brush. Then I have my MAC 11G. This is, you can either use as a foundation brush or you can use it to set your face. Then I have my Bare Minerals Flawless Face, a blush brush, and these are all the 4 brushes are high-end. Then in next I have my lash curler. This is my lash curler by Revlon. I have only one lash curler. Then this is my ELF eyelid primer. I have this with me. Then in next, okay, I have my setting powders, or the products by which I do baking on my face. I have this Body Shop Extra Virgin Minerals translucent powder. This is a high-end product, but Body Shop is available in India. I have then the Bare Minerals setting powder. I have one more of that. I have the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a drugstore product. And I guess these are all the setting powders or the baking powders that I have. Yes, so these I have 4 of them with me right here. Then for my foundation, I only use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I had 2 bottles of it. One got finished recently, so I only use this foundation because my skin is super sensitive. So if I have tried some of the other brand's foundation, but they did not suit my skin well, so I stick to this foundation. Then for primers, I have 2 primers with me right here. One is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Photo Finish Primer, and another one is Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer. Both the products are high-end makeup products, and MAC is available in India. Then next, okay, I have blush is with me. I am fond of blushes. I have peach blushes, coral blushes in the palette also. I have many blushes, so I'm really fond of blushes. The first one I have is my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush in the shade Spiced Plum. Then I have my Maybelline Mineral Power Blush. Then I have my Too Faced Milan Cosmetics Blush. Then I have my Bare Minerals Blush in the shade Laughter. Then what else I have? I have this Bare Minerals Small Blush with me right here. So these are all the blushes that I own. Then in next for a liner, I use my Oriflame liner. I really stick by this liner. Then I have 2 pencils with me for the kajal and eyeliners. They both are by NYC. I have these with me. One is the black and silver one, and one is the plain black shade. Then this is my favorite makeup bag. In this I have all my lipsticks, and these many lipsticks I have with me right here. I will because there's so many, so I can't tell you all of them, but I'll be telling you some of them. But I have the Neutrogena Nourishing Eyeliner also in this bag. Then I have some lipstick brushes, some eyeliner brushes. I got a disc sponge also. This is my small contouring brush by L'Oreal. These are my Body Shop small brushes. I have these with me. Then, okay, I'll show you my lipsticks now. In Maybelline, I have 3 Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks in the shade 135, 130 and 15. These are the 3 shades, and these are my favorite lipsticks. Then I have this Revlon, I think this is, I have this L'Oreal lip liner or the tinted lip lipstick or lip gloss, you can say. I have them there. I have my Revlon Ultimate Seal lipstick. This is a warm nude shade. I have the L'Oreal 2-in-1. One you have the lipstick primer and you have the gloss this side. Then my favorites are this NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme. I absolutely love this lipstick. Despite being so matte, it looks super natural on your lips, and I really love this lipstick. Then next I have the Maybelline Color Jolt Intense Lip paint in the shade Watermelon. I have this My Glam Lit 2 mini lipsticks in the shade Overachiever. I have my MAC lipsticks. I have 3 or 4 MAC lipsticks with me. These are all by MAC, different shades. I have the coral lipsticks, like these 2 coral lipsticks I have here. I have my Bobbi Brown lipstick. This is my favorite, one of my favorite lipsticks. So, and the rest inside. So these are all my favorite lipsticks. This was all my makeup collection. These are the products that I have, and I absolutely love these products, and I love creating looks for all of you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all are staying safe.